Welcome to Titans of Washburn, and today we are going to be taking that big end mill and getting that MRR high up on the 6061 aluminum.
Boom! Come on, let's do it, make it happen.
So let's close the door, get to the bottom, look at the feed over right here, 500 inches a minute, 12,000 RPM, let's go.
Right here in America, American manufacturing, you know, no matter what, you can put food on your table for your family. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Boom! It's just cutting right through that Kennametal 3/8 inch end mill at 500% the recommended feed rate.
500 inches a minute.
500 IPM, inches per minute, making it happen. Boom! Look at that. Beautiful. Not a problem for the Kennametal end mill. There she is. Boom!